my tractor through your haystack last night. I threw me pitchfork at your dog to keep quiet. Now something's telling me that you're avoiding me. Come on now, darling, you got something I need. 'Cause I got a brand new combine harvester and I'll give you the key. Come on now, let's get together in perfect harmony. I got 20 acres and you've got 43. Now I got a brand new combine harvester and I'll give you the key. She made I laugh. I'll stick by you, I'll give you all that you need. We'll have twins and triplets, I'm a man built for speed. And you know I'll love you, darling, so give me your hand. The thing I want the most is all the acres of land. 'Cause I got a brand new combine harvester and I'll give you the key. Come on now, let's get together in perfect harmony. I got 20 acres and you've got 43. Now I got a brand new combine harvester and I'll give you the key. Oh, she's a lovely bit of stuff now. For 7 long years I've been alone in this place. Ain't sleep in the kitchen, it's a proper disgrace. Now if I cleaned it up, would you change your mind? I'll give up drinking Strumpy and that larder and lime. 'Cause I got a brand new combine harvester and I'll give you the key. Come on now, let's get together in perfect harmony. I got 20 acres and you've got 43. Now I got a brand new combine harvester and I'll give you the key. Who loves you, baby? Ha! Wouldn't be a grand couple at that last Wurzel dance. Oh, you wore brand new gaiters and big party right pants. In your new Sunday dress with your perfume smelling grand. We had our photos took in a sold in end. Now I got a brand new combine harvester and I'll give you the key. Now let me go past our 50s, I think that you and me should stop this gallivanting, and will you marry me? 'Cause I got a brand new combine harvester and I'll give you the key. You're a fine looking woman and I can't wait to get my hands on your land.
Between a boy and man, she was 17 and she was far from in between. It was summertime in northern Michigan. Splashing through the sandbar, talking by the campfire. It's the simple things in life, like when and where. We didn't have no internet, but man, I never will forget the way the moonlight shined upon her hair. And we would try Sweet Home Alabama all summer long. Singing Sweet Home Alabama all summer long. Singing Sweet Home Alabama all summer long. Singing about Sweet Home Alabama, yeah. Baby, I'm ready for that sun to come on out. 'Cause I'm sick of this warehouse, day in and day out. I wanna live and dream out loud. 'Cause I'm anticipating, waiting and praying for summer to come. And when it does, we'll be heading down the highway looking for some fun. When it does, baby, we'll be driving in my pickup, sliding through the mud. It won't be long, baby, just hold on. No, it won't be long before we're out under the sun. Let's finish real good. How to sing the word, hit the highway, heading south. Have our windows down, your feet hanging out, radio turned up loud. I'm anticipating, waiting and praying for summer to come. And when it does, we'll be heading down the highway looking for some fun. When it does, baby, we'll be driving in my pickup, sliding through the mud. It won't be long, baby, just hold on. No, it won't be long before we're out under the sun. We'll be slow dancing, free living till the lights go out in town. Laughing and singing, hugging and kissing till the sun comes right back around. I'm anticipating, waiting and praying for summer to come. And when it does, we'll be heading down the highway looking for some fun. When it does, baby, we'll be driving in my pickup, sliding through the mud. It won't be long, baby, just hold on.